We are looking at a Euro US dollar daily chart, and what I want to show you here is how price on a daily chart will also respond to distinct levels of support and resistance, and each of these candlesticks represents 1 day of trading activity. However, within each of these days of trading activity, when you break it down and you look at the smaller time frames like the 4 hour, the 1 hour, and the 15 minute, we will see that even within this entire 1 day period, or these group of 1 day periods, we will see that there are very distinct price levels that price trades within. And as we move down from the 4 hour to the 1 hour to the 15 minute, on the 15 minute we call them fractals. So we have small patterns or micro patterns within larger time frames. But what we want to look for in this chart now is we just simply want to look at the price reference points used on the daily level. And first of all, looking at this distinct price point at 2200. And we see how price provides a level of support. Of course, we slip through here, but support becomes resistance. Then we see price move within this range. This level of support, these candlestick lows, provide support to the market as it trades within this range. It's approximately a 300 pip range. And the idea is that at the base of the range, you want to look to be buying, and at the top of the range, you want to look to be selling. Moving forward now, we have a base of support here, and look at all of the trading opportunities that you would have had 3 consecutive days here to buy, and another one here to buy. As well, there are a multitude of trading opportunities within each of these days. As we see, price continues to trade within the range. Once it decidedly breaks out, this level of resistance should offer some support to the market at a future date. Price comes back to 1800. Now we're moving within a smaller range. Now price commits above this level at 120. As price comes down and tests this level, that's where you want to buy. So here, as price comes down here, you want to look to potentially buy. If you bought here somewhere in this range, then look at the response. You received even an intraday response as well as the following day. The low to the high was 100 pips exactly. 100 full pips in order to profit. If you see the market making a base of support here, then you want to look to buy at this level of resistance. This is why the daily chart is so critically important. Look at the responses from the highs to the lows. Now looking for the market to make another leg up. Look how price respects the lows. Now we start to move lower, bouncing at the lows, okay, bouncing at the support resistance level, very distinct. Now I want to take you further ahead. We see these really nice, this is a real nice reversal pattern with deep retracement levels, and we'll cover that when we get to Fibonacci levels. But look it up here, for example. Let's just take this as an example. Price rallies and forms, on the smaller time frames, you would be able to see some fractals forming here. Consolidation, consolidation, rally, price forms a high. Now we have this consolidation here and here. As we see price move within this consolidation, then sell. Okay? Sell. Just sell it. Trust me. I mean, we already know what happens, but these major highs like this, you have to sell them, all right? And take some profit before it gets back to this level of resistance, because it may bounce here and continue up. But if it starts trading below this level of resistance, then you look to take your next profit level here and then maybe keep some in the market in case this is a major double top. Okay? It doesn't even stop. It takes 1, 2, 3, 4 days to get through to move 400 pips. Now, excuse me, price doesn't quite get, and I remember this distinctly, I was kind of hoping price would rally right to these lows here, and it didn't quite get there. You see how close it came? High of 77, while the lows here were 90. And that 13 pips really bothered me, because I like to see it come up and maybe even test the bodies of the candle before making its move down. I like to see an intraday price come up, test the bodies of the candles, but then the body of this candle close below these wicks is ideal for a short position.